Hello, crafty friends. We are entering into fall. Fall is my favorite season of the whole year. We're going to make some candy corn bowl fillers, is what I like to call them. They can go in your tiered tray, just sit on a tray on your island. I just kind of cut a burlap triangle and I rounded the corners so you can make them any size you want. And then I'm going to stuff them, so there's a front and a back. So I'm using a little bit of orange, no brand. This is actually my furniture paint, but you could use any paint you want to. It will go through the burlap, so I put some parchment paper down so that my surface was not all wet and full of paint. So did a nice orange, a nice rustic yellow, and then an off-white. I wanted these more rustic colored. So if you like the brighter colors, there's a couple steps here you can skip and you can use brighter colors. You could try this on muslin also rather than burlap if you don't want that rustic look. Now, we've got the front and back sides dry. We are going to place them together. And I'm going to hot glue two sides. And the glue does go between the burlap, so watch your fingers. These are no sew. You can sew them. I'm not a good sewer. That is my grungy mix. So it's got coffee, cinnamon, cloves, orange extract, vanilla extract, and I keep it in the refrigerator. And then I warm it up and shake it up really good when it's time to use it. And then I have a chip brush. I'm just dabbing it and dipping it onto the surface. So all those little instant coffee and flakes that you see, they smell so good. So then you'd let it dry, then we're gonna stuff it. Oh, we're gonna embellish it. I took a piece of muslin and a fine tip Sharpie, and I just wrote the word candy corn. I didn't like how that looked, so then I just tried boo, B-O-O. Cut a little piece of muslin, hot glue that on. I used some old buttons, some baker's twine and orange. So there's so many different ways to embellish these. The other side, I have a whole tray of alphabet letters that are all different shapes and sizes. I have no idea where I got them. I think I got them at a yard sale at some point in my life. And I just randomly put those on. I liked how simple that is. And then these little letters spelled out candy corn. So you could really do lots to them or do absolutely nothing to them. It's totally how you feel. I liked just a little bit on these. I'm going to do a couple more to put in my bowl that are just plain. So let your imagination run wild. Stay tuned for photos. You'll see the end here and follow for more.